Hi, welcome back to Sammy the Bull Intraday Hunter. Today is 26th of September 2025. Again, the recording had actually stopped because of some technical issues. I'm re-recording it. So the market is open. I will explain the logic later. Let me take the trade first. So our stop loss is 16 points. We'll exit at 62. And what will be our target? Target will be 78 plus the 32. So 32 plus 78. 110 is our target. So let's wait for 110 or 62, whichever comes first. Okay. Let's wait now. We'll just apply the 24,800 put. There we go. So our entry point stop loss is intact and 110 is our target, which is somewhere. Let's move it to 5-minute chart and let's place it 110 right here. So let's mark it. This is the target. Let's wait. Meanwhile, the logic is very simple. I'll explain the logic on a bigger screen. There we go. So in the 1-day chart, we see that I was expecting initially the buy side. If it takes a support here, yesterday it had actually gone very far down, which means we had booked our profit somewhere here, but it went towards our destination where we could have booked 188, but we booked 143 yesterday. So now what was the logic was that for this support, if it opens below this support, then it's going to be more sellers in the market, and then this can touch till here. Although I'm late in buying because I was expecting a bounce back, so I was waiting for a buy side, but I couldn't get a buy side, entry point. So now, since the chart is negative and the bank nifty is also negatively going down, so I'm deciding to take a sell side trade. So I've taken just now a sell side trade, wherein I've entered in 24,800 put, and the present situation there is that we are at the 72 loss of 800 or something. I was expecting this red candle and I wanted to buy call actually, but today I've gone against my initial planning. I wanted to buy somewhere here. Actually, I wanted to buy first above this, but I couldn't because it was all red and it was taken now. And then I bought somewhere here in this red candle, and now it created a support candle, which is fine. And let us see if it takes down this red candle, then we will get it. But otherwise, if it breaks our stop loss, it is also fine. We are okay to give the stop. So let's see how it goes. So we have taken a stop loss at again 62 rupees. 2400 is our stop loss. The initial scenario was to buy actually once it takes a reversal. But since it was going very fast down, so I was expecting that probably the market wants to go down, and we had taken a put. We should have waited for put to retrace and then buy. We actually bought in this candle itself, and then it retraced back to 62, which is our stop loss. It can go back up and then go towards our target because it's not a complete retracement. If you see, it's still not broken this high. Ideally, we should have kept a stop loss above 24,820 as per the charts, but we took it as per the percentage wise. So that's what the threshold of our stop losses are. So anyways, it's part of the game. That's fine. Even if it goes to our target, we are fine with it. Yesterday we have covered 2 losses now, so it's okay. We are still make another one. So we'll cover it on 1 day market once we come back. All right. Thanks guys for watching. That was all for today. Initially, our analysis was again to buy because it has to take a halt candle. It has fallen down, but because it opened gap down and it went down, I was expecting that it should touch this line, which is 24,625. So we should be able to easily maintain our target. Now, if you look at it right now, if it crosses 24,874, then I'm expecting it to go further up. And if it doesn't, then it means it is going toward and it's going to break the lower low, and then it is going to achieve the target which is there. I will not re-enter. The reason is that if my stop loss would have been called to 59 or something, then my profit would have been locked. I would not have been knocked out. But since I rushed into this candle, green candle, so it's a learning that I have to enter into a red candle, let it retrace a bit, and then I enter. That's the best place to enter. So after retracement, you enter, and then you can take a stop loss here and then target a downside, which means I would have entered in this red candle or maybe this red candle, then my stop loss would have been somewhere here for 55 or 50. And then I would have retraced back towards and since it's an expiry nearby, so the call premium depletes very fast. Anyways, if we are proven wrong initially, so that's fine. Let's meet tomorrow on Monday. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, so to motivate us.